Has the recording started? No? Ah, there we go. She said no. Okay, guys, good morning. Tuesday morning. Monday was pretty much as expected. There was literally nothing really going on yesterday. As we can tell from the news, if we look at yesterday, there was literally nothing. Today, however, we do have some news. We have core inflation rate for the Canadian dollar. We have CB leading index, and that's all we really have. That's going to impact gold and quite possibly the US 100. The reason why this impacts gold, I honestly don't know. It just does. It's high impact news and it impacts gold pretty well. So today, I mean, this is still bullish, even though it is slightly below the uptrend. We haven't made a lower low. It's just literally in this consolidation period. So I'm just going to get rid of this because it'll just make things confusing. Come on. Okay, so today I am still looking for a long. Let's go to the monthly. Is that the monthly high right there? It is. It's looking like it could move to the downside. Is it correct though? It's slightly out. Okay. Now we go to the 1H. Just literally a zone been slightly out can make things a lot harder. So now instead of being below the zone, we are in the zone. So today, if we do get a big move to the upside above the Asia range, so this is the open, more than likely we're going to be looking for a move to the daily close, which is here. So this is the range, and we're going to be looking for a trade potentially to stay to this weekly zone here. Now that's probably not going to happen all the way to this level. Probably see a move up, and we'll probably see a move probably to roughly around about here. But we can be hopeful that we get a really, really good day. How much will that be? That will be a 300 pip move, which is a good day. So still possible, could happen. And that's what we're waiting for on US 100. Still bullish, daily still bullish, weekly still bullish. We're at this nice level here, which is the monthly close of last month. Looks really good. Nice level of buy pressure here. So we're still looking for move to the upside. US 30. Again, still bullish. Is effing correct here? Looks like it. Again, still moving to the upside. We can put an uptrend in here if we really want to, but we can already see that it's moving to the upside. Okay, 4 hour. So it looks as though we've broken below just a little bit. Does that really matter? No, it's a little bit of a liquidity grab as long as we move to the upside during this session. So potentially we are going to consolidate here a little bit, move up, and look for a long here. Where will stop loss be? Probably below this level here. So the reason why stop loss is there, why? Because we have a level of buy pressure there. So that will be the level that I would like my stop loss at. Again, probably going to consolidate at this level and then move to the upside. Okay, so let's take a look at gold. So gold did do what I wanted it to do. Did it happen how I wanted it to happen? No, not really. That wouldn't have been an entry for me. There was literally no volume there whatsoever. No entry confirmation, no nothing. So We do have a daily bullish engulfing. Whether or not this is now going to turn bearish, who knows? Let's have a look at the fundamentals. So long-term gold stronger, medium-term gold stronger, short-term gold is stronger. So yeah, okay. I think it's just going to be with that CAD news. This could move down, it could move up. I honestly have no idea. It's at a level of resistance, so until it breaks this level, I'm not really interested. Where will be the next level that I see buys? Get rid of that one. That will be the trade. But right now, there's not really anything here, to be honest, guys, because it's just at the resistance level. Nice level of resistance throughout history. So, not really one yet. Again, we are going to see a lot of volume later on at 13:30. So, we'll see if that gives us a decent trade to the upside. Let's take a little look at Bitcoin, shall we? Okay, so that's now just consolidating. I would like it to come down to 50,000, so it hasn't. So, we move on. The Great British pound against the yen. Let's take a look at the fundamentals. So, the fundamentals are long term, the Great British pound is stronger than the yen. Medium term, it is. Can't see because of that. Stronger. Short term, it is stronger. Okay, so we're literally looking for moves to the upside. Very easy. So literally what I wanted to happen did happen. Did it happen when I wanted it to happen? No, it was kind of late at 18, 1900. Is there another level? There is potentially. So this is the open. This is where volume is. There is a level here. What did yesterday close like? Okay. There is a potential. So if this closes bullish, have your stop loss just here. TP up here. Fundamentals are to the upside. So if this closes like it is now, then there is a potential buy here. British pound is a positive 0.3 against minus 4.4. So yeah, if that closes bullish, probably a trade. We'll see what happens in the next 45 minutes. But that could be a good one. Great British pound against USD. Let's take a look at the daily. So yesterday was a pin bar, pretty standard. Rejected this level. So we know that there is sell pressure there. Take a look at the long term. Great British pound is stronger than the USD. Medium term, it's weaker. And short term is stronger. Okay, so not too great at this moment in time. But what we do have is a break of structure. So we have high, 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 low, high, high, lower, low now because it's below this high here. So now what we're looking for, very, very simple. Break and retest. Bang. Stop loss just above. TP at the low, probably down here. So what are you looking for? You're looking for it to tap this level, sellers to come in, pushes to the downside. Depends where price action is, but yeah, that's what you're looking for. So again, you've got high, 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 low, high, high, and a lower low. It's broken this level here. This level didn't really break. We saw buyers come in and push it to the upside. The exact same here. Push, exhaustion, continue move. So that right there is exactly what you're looking for. That'll be pretty good later on. The Euro USD. If you have any that you want me to go through, let me know now. Okay, so just like I said, this is probably going to consolidate, and it has. Really? So, what do we expect from this? Exactly what I said yesterday, consolidation. Literally, you're looking for it to tap this level and move down. Obviously, for fundamentals to be to the downside, so long term, the euro stronger at this moment in time. Medium term, the euro is stronger. Short term, euro is stronger. So you're not looking for sells yet. You're looking for it to tap this level and then start to move down. Also, the fundamentals have to be to the downside as well. So every single time you're looking for a trade, or if you get entry, always go to the short term. If the short term, so let's just say I was looking for a long on euro USD, this would be perfect. Positive 3.5 to minus 5.3. Perfect. If it was the British pound against USD, yeah, perfect. If though the euro was a minus 3.5 and the USD was a minus 5.3, is that going to be a good move? It's more than likely probably not going to move that great. So the bigger the separation, the better the trade is potentially going to be. So yeah, guys, that's it for the live session. Does anyone want me to go for anything or go over anything again? I'll give you a second. But other than, but other than that, I'll see you on the live session later on. It doesn't seem like anyone's. Thanks, brother. Well explained. Cheers. Okay, cool. That's 100. Okay, so I did go over US 100, but I'll do it again. So it's come down to the monthly high of last month. All we're looking for, we have a daily close here. The range is from down here to up here. What we're looking for is a impulse move to the upside to grab a long here. Oil, please. Okay. So yeah, oil literally did nothing yesterday, didn't it? I would still be looking for the move to the downside and then to move up. We'll see what happens later on because the Canadian dollar impacts oil quite a bit because they're the largest exporters of crude. So should be pretty good. There is a potential for this just to continue moving up. So I would say if this breaks this high here, you're pretty okay to go long. But if not, wait for the full exhaustion and just be patient with it. Because the better move is when you're touching this uptrend. All of these here, when you're breaking highs, just like here, look, the daily close is there, boom, boom. It hasn't really got much legs. Whereas these, where you actually have a full and complete exhaustion and then you move to the upside, they just have a lot more room. So I would wait for that. But if it does break this high, then you can get a little trade to this daily here. So that is that. Okay, guys, thank you for joining. Archie, Etch, Gareth, Jim, uh, Mohammed, MP, Sheriff, Six Figures, Tim, Wahol, and Zekrom. Thank you, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. No worries. I shall see you later on for the live session, where hopefully we get a decent trade. Take care, guys. Bye bye.